Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can verify sources used by the Comet AI web browser within threads, chats, and conversations you have had with the artificial intelligence here. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Comet AI web browser. And as you probably know, Comet AI uses Perplexity as the AI chat agent and also various language models. When you enter your command or your search here in the text box on Comet AI homepage, guys, you may, for instance, narrow down your search by selecting a specific type of sources or specific language model. Let us focus on these sources first. Simply click into that globe icon here and select, for example, websites or academic institutions. However, guys, once the response has been given, there's also the opportunity to verify and to check these sources. And if you like, for example, fact check these and find out if the response with the information and data included here in the conversation with Comet AI is 100% accurate and up to date. To do that, simply scroll down to the bottom of the given response and you will see a list of sources that have been used here at the bottom. You may simply left click into it and you will see an extensive and detailed list of all sources that have been used for that specific response. And next to the given line here, for example, or paragraph, you will see also where the specific source has been used. Like here, if you hover your mouse over it, you will see a short preview of it. Also with a number indicating how many of these sources have been used. And that's all to it, guys. That's how you verify these sources. You may simply click into them to get redirected to the original source and double check if the information here in the response is 100% correct and if Perplexity/Comet AI hasn't done or made any mistake or inaccuracy here. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.